Nothing brightens your home and your day like Solatube daylighting systems. So to make it easy to bring outside light in, our manufacturer-certified installation consultants, the only daylighting experts who are factory trained and certified on all Solatube products, can come to you. They'll help you pick out the right size system and location, the decorative fixture and diffuser styles, and the various accessory options that fit your particular needs. Perhaps most importantly, your installation experience with Solatube Premier Dealers is created to be totally stress-free, starting with the highest performing products, installation expertise on all roof types, and no structural modifications to your home. Our Premier Dealers use a simple and efficient process to save you both time and money. You make one call, work with one consultant, and you can have installation completed, often all in the same day. In fact, in as little as 2 hours. And all backed by the Solatube Premier Dealer warranty, which means total confidence for you.
Contact us now to schedule a free consultation.